Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, December 17th. This is David, and really tonight, just focusing on the growing signs that that we are turning back down. Notably, among them is comparing this decline that we had from November 1st to November 3rd, which had been the largest decline in the bounce from the October low, comparing that to the decline from Tuesday's high, which is now the largest decline. So if we just come in, measure swing high to swing low from early November, project downwards from Tuesday's high, and you can see we're now at this point solidly below that level. So this is a break of symmetry, right? Now getting larger pullbacks than we've had all the way up, and that is generally a sign of turning back down, especially when the legs into and out of that prior largest decline are roughly similar in size as these two are. So there's certainly more that we need to see to keep this downside on track, but noting that we've also broken downwards out of an upward sloping channel, and of course that we've turned down directly from a Voodoo Fireline, the most important of the Voodoo line levels, and those are the levels where we generally expect the more significant swings to originate from. So long as we stay below that Fireline level, this certainly looks like it has potential to the downside. Now, look, we can contrast that with the Nasdaq, which probably has a little bit more to do, right? If we measure down swing high to swing low in the Nas for the highest pull, or for the largest pullback since that October low, you'll see that we haven't yet broken symmetry here, right? That's slightly below current levels at 11,130. So keep an eye out for that. What we have gotten here is that even though we have gotten slightly above the Voodoo Fireline, we've given that up. And so once again, keeping an eye on the downside so long as we stay below that 11,830 level. So that's what I'm watching here. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.